Welcome to the In-Data Product Demonstration Series. In this segment, we will demonstrate how to quality control check your synchronization in TimeCoder Pro 6. After your transcript and video have been synchronized, you will need to verify that every line has a timecode and that the timecodes are accurate and sequential. When you open a digital video transcript, you will notice an icon next to the transcript name. The folder without a checkmark indicates a transcript that has been imported but not synchronized. The blue checkmark icon indicates the transcript has been synchronized but not QC'd. The green dot indicates that the transcript has been finished and ready for final export. To start the QC process, open a transcript with the blue checkmark icon. At the top of the screen, you will see a checkmark button, a QC button, and red up and down arrows. To the right of the arrows, you will see the accuracy threshold slider bar. Use this tool to adjust the number of lines that are marked yellow based on the estimated accuracy of the timecode. It is recommended that the threshold indicator be set to the far right, representing that you want to check all timecodes that are less than 100% accurate. You should familiarize yourself with the navigation and control hotkeys that are available. Knowing and using the hotkeys can significantly speed up the time you spend doing quality control. Before you begin QC, click on the check mark button to perform the initial quality control checks. If all of the initial checks pass, you will see the following on the screen. Even if you get this screen, it is recommended that you spot check the accuracy of the timecodes by randomly double-clicking on testimony and watching the highlight bar during replay. The highlight bar should match the audio that is playing and move in sequence with the playback. If one or all of the checks fail, you will see a screen similar to this and can include all or any combination of the failures. To enter Quality Control Mode, click on the Begin QC button at the bottom of the dialog box or the QC button from the title bar menu. Locate the first line of testimony that has a timecode associated with it. You can use the slider bar on the right-hand side of the screen to move through the transcript. Make sure that you double-click on the first line of testimony to cue the video for playback. Next, find the Disable Timecoding button on the control panel. Click on the button and it should change to red. The red indicator lets you know that you are in record mode and can insert timecodes into the transcript. Start QCing the transcript by pressing the N key on the keyboard. This key will take you to the first suspect line in the transcript. A suspect line is any line that has a confidence score that is less than the threshold set earlier. In our example, this would be a line that has a confidence score of less than 100% or any line that doesn't have a timecode on it. If you need to insert a timecode or fix an inaccurate timecode, use the spacebar on the keyboard to place the timecode on that line. You will want to make sure that the video is playing, and as the first word of that line is said, press the spacebar and you will see the timecode appear. When you get to a line that is suspect, use the up arrow key on the keyboard and move to the previous line. Press Enter to commence playback from the timestamp located directly above the marked line. This should give you ample time to mark the timestamp for the suspect line. The left and right arrow buttons can be used to rewind and fast forward the video, and the pause button on the keyboard will play and pause the audio. Now that you have corrected or inserted a timecode on that suspected line, you will repeat the process of pressing the N key on the keyboard and inserting a timestamp on all suspected lines until the entire transcript has a valid sequential timestamp on each line. After you have completed quality control checking the transcript, click on the checkmark button to verify that the adjustments made are correct. If so, you will see a window similar to this. The final step in the synchronization process is to export the final product for delivery to the customer. Click on the File menu and choose Export To, and you will see a list of the possible export formats available. Your TimeCoder Pro software includes a royalty-free distribution license that authorizes you to produce DepoView and DepoView DVD viewers to your customers. For more information on DepoView and DepoView DVDs, watch the tutorial How to Use DepoView. A good quality control process is essential to producing the highest quality product and makes an enormous difference in the accuracy of clip making and the quality of the final playback at trial. Thank you for tuning in. To see more videos in the In-Data Product Demonstration Series, go to www.indatacorp.com.